Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I will show you how to stop all websites and apps from sending Facebook your information. And if you don't know whether you are using Facebook or not, a lot of websites and apps are sending all the activities that you're doing on those websites back to Facebook. If you're trying to purchase something, if you're looking at something, anything like that, these websites and apps are sending all this information back to your Facebook and it's being linked with your Facebook account. All right. I've made other videos showing how to stop this from happening or how to view which apps are doing this. You can look in my video description and you see more videos. Anyways, but in this video, I'll just show you how to completely block all those websites from doing that. And this is not something that you can choose to accept or not, because whether you know it or not, these websites and apps are doing that. And I was actually shocked when I saw the different websites and apps that were doing it, when I've never even given these websites my Facebook name or anything like that. I don't know how they do it, but they do it. But before we begin, I would like us to hear a little bit from our sponsor. Do you ever find it difficult to narrow down your search for electronics on some of the major online shopping websites? Instead of having thousands and thousands of products that are either too expensive or just low quality, SimForest has compiled some of the highest quality tech gear with consideration to cost because we know you value quality. On SimForest, you can find headphones, chargers, wireless speakers, phone cases, and even screen protectors. Check out SimForest at www.simuforest.com. Welcome back. Like I said, I'll show you how to stop all websites and apps from sending Facebook your information. So let's begin. We'll start by open up the Facebook app like I have here and go to your settings. To do that, look on the bottom right hand corner. Do you see over here these three dots? Tap on those. Alright, you'll get to here. This is your main menu. Once you arrive here, scroll all the way down. Do you see over here where it says settings and privacy? Click on that. And this is the menu that will appear below. On this menu, click on where it says settings. Alright, once here, scroll all the way down. I think you go to the section that says your information. Yep, right here. Do you see over here where it says off Facebook activities? Click on that. Alright, you get to here. And once here, look over here where it says more options. Click on that. And then when this menu appears, click on where it says manage future activities. I'll take you here. Once here, look all the way on the bottom, okay? Do you see where it says manage future activities right here? Click on that. All right, as you can see here, future of Facebook activities. Keeping your future of Facebook activities saved with your, keeping your future of Facebook activities saved with your account allows us to personalize your experience. So this is what they're actually saying. When they say personalize, they mean by whenever you see those ads that it's always strange that you're visiting something and then you're gonna see an ad related to that. That's what they mean by that. And they're making money off stuff like that, okay? So anyways, to turn this off, as you can see, it's blue right now. That means it's on. I can turn it off by tapping on that little blue button. I'm gonna tap on that. And then it gives me this whole long disclaimer. Turning off this will disconnect your future activities, so it will just prevent all the apps and websites from reporting my information back to Facebook. And they say this takes about 48 hours to fully do this. We will still receive activities from the businesses and organizations you visit. It may be used for measurement purposes to make improvements to our ad system, but it will be disconnected from your account. So anyways, they might receive information, but it will not be associated with you exactly, okay? And your activity history will be disconnected from your account. This will also prevent you from logging into apps and website with Facebook because your activity will be disconnected from your account. So one kind of thing that if you use Facebook to log into other apps, if you turn this off, that will not you will not be able to do that anymore. Okay, and you will still see the same number of ads. So this does not prevent you from seeing ads. This will just prevent them from creating ads that are associated with you. Like they don't have any information to base the ads on. Okay. Anyways, if you want to turn that off, so just click over here where it says turn off, on that, and there you go. This will turn off. This will prevent all websites and apps from sending your information back to Facebook. All right. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and share this video because I think a lot of people need this information because it's just creepy what Facebook does behind the back. All right. Thank you for watching.